Today we went thrift shopping to copy Weki Meki's Crush outfits. They're all pretty much wearing the same outfit, so it's no particular person. It's a pretty simple outfit, right?
It's cute. It's also a cute outfit.
It is a cute outfit.
I think it's an outfit that I've just worn going out.
So we got these black shorts from Grace's.
Black shirts that they're wearing have a pretty high neckline, so like about here. So we found this black shirt.
And then finally, of course, the piece de resistance is the the green bomber jacket. This is not exactly a bomber jacket.
It's the closest we could find though. Yeah.
This is like a fishing jacket. Like, let's be real here.
Yeah,
someone wore this
nice
fishing.
windbreaker.
Exactly. It is very old.
It is 100% nylon. It is water repellent. Guess where it was made?
Taiwan.
Korea.
Korea!
Made in Korea.
So this is full circle.
We did it.
Machine wash warm tone. Okay. Anyways.
Really old jacket.
Yeah, really old jacket.
I think.
Of all those specific people, who would you want to do specifically?
Well, I mean, this one is the coolest because the center is the coolest. Well, she has this, I like the garter type thing on the one leg with the fishnets. I think is really cool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. I think in general, I always like the center. Or like in TV shows, my favorite character is always the main character.
I'm exactly the same way. I love, in Haikyuu, well, that's actually not true. My favorite character in Haikyuu is Kuro. So, I always use Haikyuu as an example where I love Hinata, but he's not even my favorite character.
When I watched The Winx Club, my favorite character was Bloom. I think her name is Bloom. Is it Blossom? Anyway, she's the main character. Naruto is my favorite character of Naruto. Deku is my favorite character of My Hero Academia.
Deku is also my favorite character in My Hero Academia.
I do love Bakugo, but that's a romantic love.
No, I'm not sure. No, I don't agree on that. Hello everyone, this is going to be the quickest thrift flip we've ever done. Okay, let's do it. We start with a t-shirt. It says Guinness on it. We take that t-shirt, we crop it, and then we put it on. Bam. Remember this harness from the La Vie en Rose video? We're gonna use it. It's gonna go over the t-shirt. Let's do it. Bam. Next, you can use either a black skirt or black pants. Those gonna go on. Bam. And then finally, of course, the most important part of the iconic Crush outfit is the green bomber jacket. That's gonna go on. Bam. Yeah, so anyways, that's the whole outfit. It took like 5 minutes to make. I didn't even sew the hem on the shirt. I just cut it. It's a crop top now. That's how this works, you guys. That's how thrift flipping works. Okay, let's go to the photo shoot. Bam. We're out on, where are we?
We're at the Pima Air and Space Museum.
Pima Air and Space Museum. We don't know anything about air and space.
No.
But we're trying to find planes that wouldn't be offensive to pose as part of.
Maybe we shouldn't say that.
Look, it's fine if we say it, because then they know our intent. How do you feel about this look, considering I made it, so I can't really have an impression of it?
Well, I like belts, so you got me there.
True.
This actually stays put more than I thought it would, which is cool.
I mean, it's just elastic and some grommets.
Yeah.
So.
This is just a t-shirt, and then this is just a jacket that we already found.
This is the easiest one yet, for sure.
Yeah. It's a chill look today.
It's really windy if you can't tell, but like you can't see my face.
Which hopefully will make for good pictures.
Yes, well, let's hope. I'm just giving up. I just have a hair mask now.
Yeah.
Those aren't very peaceful images, are they?
No, not at all.
That one has anime on it! This one literally has anime on it. That's just wild. Oh god.
Just me and my plane.
Don't touch it, you're gonna burn yourself. I hope we weren't racist.
Or, yeah.
Anyways, signing off from Pima, what is it?
Pima. Pima Air and Space
my face,
Museum.
my hair's completely in front of it.
Pima, P-I-M-A.
Lima.
Pima Air and Space Museum.
Okay, well, peace.
See ya.
If you are fluent in another language besides English, you can help us out by translating this video's subtitles.